Hello viewers, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is the general reading for Leos from 6th of July to 12th of July 2020. This reading includes your recent past, your present and your immediate future. So let's see what cards have to show you. Alright Leos, oh my god, you've got wonderful cards. You really don't need to worry about anything in your life. Okay, so this is your energy this week. That is the Two of Swords. You have been working hard and it's like you are so strong right now. You, because of all the experiences you have had in past, it's like, you can even close your eyes and take any decision you want, and that is going to be bang on bullseye. So just believe in your intuitions and go for it, whatever you want to do. The world is yours. It is yours. Everything is yours. Yeah. So if we see the past cards, that is Ten of Pentacles, Strength, and Seven of Wands. So wow, your hard work has been paid off. You really worked hard. You are standing at the top right now. You, believe it or not, you have reached where you wanted to reach, and because of that everything seems to be very very good. Your family is so happy. You're having good family time. You're able to give all the resources to your family. You yourself are so strong, so strong. This is your card, Virgo. This is your card, Leos, and you're so strong. You have this intuitiveness also. As I said, your card is also showing the same thing, energy card. And believe in yourself. You believe in your intuition, because higher energies, they are making you so strong. They're giving you this opportunity to make your own future the way you want it. So your past cards are really really good, and this is just showing your character, how strong you are mentally, physically, the amount of hard work you have done, and you have got the good results of your hard work. Okay, so before moving to the present, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel for the weekly updates. Now moving towards your present, it is the Eight of Wands reversed, Queen of Wands, and Two of Wands. Oh my god, so many wands. Your present is full of wands actually. Okay, so it could be that the good news that you were waiting for got little delayed, but don't worry, that is on its way, and it is positive. It is going to come in your favor only. That is going to give you more power and position in the society. Maybe some people must be just little jealous of you, but it's okay. That is what comes with success. So don't worry about it. You will have very very good opportunities in near future. There could be some chance of going overseas as well. It could be for work, it could be for marriage, it could be, and it is going to be long term. So you're just waiting for that opportunity, and that is on its way, Leos. Moving towards your future cards. Oh wow, Ace of Pentacles, the Lovers, and Six of Swords reversed. So as I said, you are going to get this good news. It's coming. It's almost there. Ace of Pentacles. Something new is starting up. It could be your professional life. You are going to get a lot of money. It is your, because of your creativity, because of your ideas, because of that new opportunity that you are getting. Everything will be there. You could, as I said, you could also either waiting someone to come from overseas, or maybe you are planning to go there. So uh, you know that could be a partner, that could be someone who is the love of your life. So that is going to be really really good. Everything is good, everything. Yeah, you're going to have good finances. You will have a very good love life. And if we talk about the, yeah, so your partner is going to come, you're going to have a very, very good love life. It's just, that uh, you are going somewhere and it is going to be very, very beneficial for you. You are traveling with your partner, either you are going somewhere for the work or maybe you are just coming back to your house, but traveling is there, movement is there, and it is for good. So don't worry, all good. Okay, Leos, if you still have any queries, please write in the comment box, or you can go for your personalized reading for this month. Look into the description box. Yeah. All right, Leos. All the best.